I'm just giving 2 more days का planner, because आपका plan होगा तो मुझे मेरे लिए tough task हो जाएगा ना, मुझे भी तो revise कराना है आपको पूरा doubt solving पर. Right, next day's planner. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday का planner you write down. First Wednesday, please clear backlog if any. So on Friday I don't want to listen backlog wala things. Second, whatever taught in class, that you will practice. Thursday, practice dimension. When I say dimension, then it becomes from starting till dimensional analysis. That means you have to start with what are physical quantities. Then after what are physical quantities, you have to study what are fundamental quantities, what are derived quantities, unit, requirement of good units, then requirement of good units, fundamental unit, derived unit, fundamental unit, derived unit, SI system, list of 7 fundamental quantity with 2 supplementary quantity, and obtain dimension wala part. In notes it is given, you have to just practice it once. This is your homework. एकदम कम homework दिया है. And clearing backlog is essential. Okay, everybody has copied this information about planning?
Yes, sir.
This I am
Yes,
keeping
sir.
in mind. The students, those who have joined late, they have to also do this. So as per that I am giving. Karan Goel?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think in dimension I have taught you everything, whatever I have given on the screen. What are physical quantities, fundamental quantities, derived. Notes I have sent you, notes?
No, sir.
Okay, I will send the notes after the lecture so that you can go through the notes. And then in the evening class, already I am doing dimension for you.
Okay.
Just one extra lecture I require individual for you for explaining you uses of dimension.
Yes.
Now I'm clearing this. Okay, can I clear it out now?
Yes.
Please write neatly, stick to it. And in case suppose you complete this, then don't waste your time. Sometimes homework may be slightly less because all the students are not of same level, or people have not joined at same time. After 15-20 days, yes, it will be more, slightly more. So in case you feel that नहीं आपको थोड़ा कम लग रहा है, so you can practice from the books which I have given, from the sheets which I have given. From universal you should start practicing. And still if you are having time and you don't have material, you tell me on phone, I will send the material. So when your college exam is there, you all will get full mark only now, because we have done almost everything. I'm clearing this from the screen and starting with new part, that is new chapter. Last class we have done till conical pendulum, if you are remembering.
Yes.
What is time period of conical pendulum? Time period of conical pendulum, anybody remember? It is 2
Sir, 2 pi
pi
angle of L
2
cos theta
pi
upon
root
G.
L cos theta upon G.
L cos theta upon G. Tension T cos theta equals
mg.
to mg. Huh? This all you have to remember.
Sir,
And
can you explain that once again? T cos it is mg. थोड़ा नहीं समझा.
एक मिनट पूरा वापस कोनिकल पेंडुलम समझा देता हूँ. Consider a conical pendulum consisting of small metallic sphere called as bob, suspended with the help of light inextensible string from rigid support, given small angular displacement theta and made to perform horizontal circular motion of radius r equals to L sine theta. Now because it is in motion, that means there is force acting. So forces acting on the bob are its weight mg downward and tension T along the string. This is one line making angle theta. So if I draw here parallel line, this will be also theta because alternate angles.
Alternate angles. Yes.
So this is theta. Now one vector, we can resolve into two components
Yes, sir. Two rectangular component.
from same starting point. एक अगर horizontal है तो दूसरा
185.
vertical. Whichever is having theta, that will be in
Cos.
terms of cos. So if this is suppose P, this will become P cos theta and this will become P sin theta. If this is mg and this is theta, then this component will be mg cos theta and this will be mg sin theta. Similarly, if this is suppose t, then theta ka baju wala will be cos, the other one will become sin. They are called resolution of vector. So t I can split into two parts, t cos theta, theta ka baju wala, and t sin theta is the other component. This much any difficulty is there? Because if you have not followed this, I have to explain again.
God, sir. God.
Okay. So because our thread, that means that string is inextensible. मतलब वो elongate नहीं होने वाला है by वजन, by weight. So I can say t cos theta must balance weight mg and t sin theta is acting radially inward. It is centripetal force and centripetal force is mv square by r. So if I divide equation 2 by 1, I will get t sin theta upon t cos theta equals to mv square upon r divided by this mg. Mm cancel, tt cancel. So we get tan theta equals to v square upon rg. Now v का मतलब linear speed which is
2 pi r
upon
upon T.
time period t dash. So therefore I can write tan theta equals to v square means 2 pi r upon t dash square 1 upon rg. Therefore tan theta equals to 4 pi square r square upon t dash 1 upon rg. So 1 r I can cancel. Now by cross multiplying, t dash equal to 4 pi square r tan theta upon g.
Sir,
Yes.
this in the 4 pi square upon r square, it will be t dash square, no?
T dash square. Yes. T dash square. So taking square root, t dash will be 2 pi root of r by g tan theta. Tan theta, t dash will be upon tan theta nature. Tan theta upon tan theta. Till this followed? Can I clear now screen?
Yes.
Now
Sir,
just
I have a doubt.
where?
So why t cos theta is equal to mg?
This is t cos theta, okay?
Yes, sir.
And this was mg. बराबर?
हाँ sir.
अगर t cos theta ज्यादा होएगा तो ये ऊपर ऊपर जाएगा ना ये मास,
हाँ sir.
और mg ज्यादा रहेगा तो नीचे नीचे आएगा ना.
हाँ sir. बैलेंस
But
करना होगा.
हाँ, मतलब ये अगर गोल घूम रहा है तो ये दोनों फोर्स बैलेंस कर दिया, नहीं तो इसका भी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा ना ऊपर नीचे.
हाँ sir.
कभी ऐसा वाइब्रेट होएगा, कभी ऐसा जाएगा.
इंग्लैंड हो जाएगा कभी.
That means for equilibrium, upward and downward force should balance each other. That's why we have written this is t cos theta is mg. और अपना ये thread inextensible है.
हाँ हाँ sir.
इनएक्सटेंसिबल है मतलब उसको कोई खींच नहीं सकता. खींचा तो ये इलोंगेट हो सकता है ना, तो इलोंगेट होने वाला नहीं है. तो इसलिए ये अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड आपस में बैलेंसिंग चाहिए. क्लियर?
Yes sir.
नाउ वी गॉट t dash as 2 pi root of r upon g tan theta. R is L sin theta
L sin theta.
and tan is sin upon cos theta. I can cancel this sign. So it will become 2 pi root L cos theta upon G is time period. Okay? Clear meaning?
Yes sir.
अभी संडे का टेस्ट का भी लिख लो आप लोग बराबर. क्या टेस्ट है? ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन डायमेंशन चैप्टर. इट मे बी इन एनी फॉर्मेट. आपको पूरा परफेक्ट रहना चाहिए. डायमेंशन और भी इजी कर देता हूं. डायमेंशन का खाली थियरी, नो एमसीक्यू ऑफ दिस, and I will give 25 MCQs from kinematics. I have cleared your doubts till what? Till 65, na? Or more than
69.
till 65 I have done. So max to max I can complete by 100 if I am doing new chapter also along with this. So from 1 to 100, any 25. Now you are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please write down. So there should be no query in your mind. Dimension, no MCQ, only theory. And kinematics, 25 MCQ. That too, I'm telling 1 to 100. Next test के time पे I will not say from where. This I'm telling because you are practicing 200, 210 sums. It is a good stuff. So that if becomes perfect, anything you can manage. Yes, test है coming Sunday, which is I think 31st over. Can I clear now? Now I'm starting with the chapter. Okay.
yes, sir.
This is fourth chapter now we are starting. Heading is laws of motion. Laws of motion. This is one of the longest chapter. It will take at least 1 month to complete this. Many things are they have included in the same chapter. Please write heading, then we'll see the meaning. Written, heading written. Very slowly I am going so that you understand each and every
Yes.
point. The previous chapter we did kinematics. This was mathematics or equation connecting motion, जिसमें 3 kinematical equation किया था. V is U plus AT, S is UT plus half AT square, V square equal to U square plus 2S. But we had not studied cause of motion. मतलब क्यों ये बॉडी चल रहा था वो नहीं पढ़ा. In this chapter we are going to study cause of motion. You all know cause of motion is force. So we will be studying about force and the laws which is controlling or governing the motion. So in this chapter we are going to study causes of motion, effect of motion which is based on force, and some law controlling that motion, which you all know it is called Newton's law of motion, which is applied to the controlling of motion. What is force? Anybody knows what is force?
Mass into acceleration.
No, don't say formula, beta. Meaning say. Force is that physical quantity which changes or tends to change state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. So I know like this, force is that physical quantity which changes or tends to change state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. When you say uniform motion in a straight line means its magnitude of velocity and direction both are same. That means if speed is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, it will be 3 and direction is same in a straight line. So force is that physical quantity which changes or tends to change state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. Everybody has understood meaning of force?
Yes, sir.
See, right now I don't know formula. I am telling I know only what is force. It is some quantity which can either change the state of rest. मतलब एक body rest पे है उसको motion में ला सकता है और motion में है तो उसका direction वगैरह change कर सकता है. So it is that physical quantity which changes or tends to change state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. It is a scalar quantity or vector quantity? Vector, na direction, so it is a
So
vector.
vector quantity.
Vector quantity, correct. Do you know its SI unit?
So meter per second
Meter
is
per
one.
second.
मीटर पर
ये क्या बोल रहे हो आप लोग? SI unit is Newton ना? इतना कैसे भूल जाते हो? Its SI unit is Newton. ये तो क्या रहेगा ना 10th में? SI unit is Newton. What is its CGS unit?
So
Time.
Dyne. हाँ.
Dyne.
हाँ. What extra you did in 11th? Its dimension. Its dimension. Can you tell me what is its dimension?
M1, L1, T,
L1 T minus
तो बोला था ये रटना है अपने को हमेशा. अभी कैसा है एक बार देखो. Force formula as you told mass into acceleration. Mass दिखा तो dimension में I will write m1. Acceleration is meter per second square. So m1 L1 T minus. Please copy this much. Force का definition. Force is that, देखो बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है, एकदम स्लो सिखाऊंगा. Force is that physical quantity which changes or tends to change state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. It is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is Newton. CGS unit is time.
Done, sir.
Okay. Others have also done.
Yes, sir.
Sudden.
So we did what is force, we did what is it is vector quantity, SI unit, CGS unit, and then its dimension. How many types of forces are there?
4.
Which two?
Strong nuclear force. Sorry. Just
Types of forces are,
gravitational force.
one is called non-contact force, and contact force. Yeah, I think few of you might have studied. You have heard, but you are not remembering. Non-contact force मतलब जब भी बॉडी दूसरे बॉडी के साथ फिजिकली कांटेक्ट में नहीं आता. कैन यू टेल एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉन कांटेक्ट फोर्स? एनी ऑफ यू?
Gravitational force,
वेरी गुड.
magnetic force.
हाँ, that is electrostatic force, magnetic force. So examples of non contact forces are gravitational force. This we are going to study in detail because entire one chapter is based on gravity. So gravitational force, which is actually weight. Second, you can say electromagnetic force, which is electrostatic force and magnetic force का combo है, electromagnetic force. Third force we can say weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. In chemistry, you have this in detail: weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. The nucleus के अंदर what is present in nucleus? Proton,
Protons
neutron.
and neutrons.
Protons, neutrons.
प्रोटॉन के बीच में रिपल्शन होना चाहिए ना, दोनों प्लस प्लस है तो.
हाँ सर.
तो कोई
Yes,
तो
sir.
फोर्स है ना जो इसको पकड़ के रखा है, बाइंड करके रखा है, वो कोई तो
Yes.
फोर्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियर फोर्स. वीक न्यूक्लियर फोर्स इज बिटवीन दिस न्यूक्लियस, न्यूट्रॉन, एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स इज बिटवीन ये प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन, इसके बीच में फोर्सेस है. तो फ्यू फोर्सेस आर वीक होएगा तो ये अनस्टेबल हो जाता है, और स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा तो स्टेबल. तो जो न्यूक्लियस का अंदर प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन को बाइंड करके रखता है, दोज आर न्यूक्लियर फोर्सेस. दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वीक. And gravitational force, you know, if this is earth, a body is at certain height, it will be attracted towards center of earth. From every side it will be attracted towards center of earth, which is actually weight of the body. Electro is due to charges. There are two types of charge, positive and negative. This we are going to study in detail in 12th standard in chapter called electrostatic and magnetic field. ये दोनों. 11th में we have to deal with all gravitational forces. So how many types of force are there? Non-contact and contact. Non-contact means body do not physically come in contact or touch each other. These forces can be between masses, between charges, between pole, between nucleus. Depending upon that, 4 types. In detail we'll study. Type you just now remember: gravitational, electromagnetic, weak nuclear, strong nuclear. Please copy this much. As I said, chapter is lengthy. I'm splitting it into number of parts. Types of forces. Before I start in depth with this chapter, your first, second, third chapter should be perfect. Non-contact force, contact force. Example of non-contact I have written: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force.
आता हा माझा वाला कुठला कुठे आहे? हा माझाच आहे का?
नाही, का-
Please keep yourself muted.
दुसरा एक
Aryan,
काढलेला ना, तू लग्नात घातलेला तो
तो तिकडे
तो तिथे आहे. थांब मी आणून देते.
Done, sir.
okay. So there are two types of forces: non-contact force, contact force. Non-contact force are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force. As I said, electromagnetic and nuclear forces we are going to study in depth in 12th standard. Chemistry में nuclear forces ज़्यादा है. And gravitation यही साल में एक single chapter है जिसका नाम है gravitation. Now examples of contact force. Examples of contact force. Ane, do you know some examples of contact force? Yes, Ane, are you remembering any contact force?
Sir,
Any contact force you remember?
friction.
Okay, correct. Frictional force is contact force. This comes into play when two bodies are in contact and slide over another. When this body is sliding over this body, then we get frictional force. Correct. This also is in detail in 11. Anything else?
Sir, tension.
Normal reaction force, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Normal reaction force. This is all we have to do in detail now. Normal. Tension, yes, tension in strings. Then force in springs. Forces in springs, है ना?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Or muscular force.
Muscular force is like tension only, no? So frictional force, normal, pulling force are generally tension. Spring का restoring force होता है. फिर when two
So
bodies collide,
resistance in air is frictional force or it is separate?
see anything whenever comes in contact, that is friction. Air is in contact with the body तो ही इसको friction देगा. तो उसको बोलते हैं कभी कभी frictional drag, air friction, opposing force ऐसे. तो बेसिकली हाँ, अभी लिक्विड के बीच में भी फोर्स होता है. लिक्विड लेयर ऐसा होगा ना, तो लेकिन वो फ्रिक्शन को हम नाम दे देते हैं विस्कस फोर्स, बट एक्चुअली इट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ फ्रिक्शनल ओनली और अपोजिंग फोर्स. सो फ्रिक्शनल
pressure.
फोर्स, no, pressure is not force, it is force upon area. Frictional force, normal reaction, tension, forces in the spring. Then forces during collision. इतना अपना detailed study we have to do. That's why I'm telling why chapter is lengthy. The 5 contact force and 4 non-contact force. So even if I take two lectures for one topic, it will become 18 lectures. So that's why chapter is bit lengthy. Okay, example of contact force, right?
Done, sir.
Okay. Let everybody complete.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now one by one, we will start understanding meaning of these forces. First one. Now we are dealing with first all contact forces. Then chapter wise we have non-contact forces. As I told, gravitation is given in one single chapter called gravitation. Same way electromagnetic is given in two chapters, magnetic field and electrostatics. And weak and strong nuclear force is given in chapter called atoms, molecule, nuclei. So first contact force I am discussing with you is normal reaction. Very important for solving the problem. Normal means what? Perpendicular.
Yeah.
So can I say the reaction or the force perpendicular to the surface? Perpendicular to the surface. This word is important. Perpendicular to the surface or perpendicular to point of contact is called as normal reaction. See, nobody will ask you define normal reaction. So definition is not that important. Meaning is very important. Now imagine this is one surface. I place one body. So this body comes in contact. If there is no contact, there can't be normal reaction. Every body has its own weight acting downward. So this is action mg downward. That means this surface will give normal reaction in upward direction. Not followed? This is surface. This is body. Body ka mg is downward. So body will fall downward if there is no reaction. So the surface is giving reaction perpendicular to it to the body. अभी बॉडी को रिएक्शन मिलेगा तो बॉडी का भी नॉर्मल रिएक्शन होता है डाउनवर्ड. So this is force given by the body, by the surface on the body called as normal reaction. This body is giving this mg downward. उसको ये बॉडी का नॉर्मल रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. So actually speaking, नॉर्मल रिएक्शन सरफेस के ऊपर भी एक्ट हो रहा है. ये n बॉडी के ऊपर एक्ट हो रहा है. n this n and n are equal and opposite. ये वाला n हम लोग जनरली बात नहीं करते हैं. जो बॉडी के ऊपर एक्ट होता है उसका ही बात करते हैं. तो बॉडी के ऊपर उसका खुद का वजन नीचे खींच रहा है, ये सरफेस का रिएक्शन ऊपर. बट रिमेंबर, ये बॉडी भी इसको नॉर्मल फोर्स दे रहा है, दैट इज डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. बट एवरी टाइम वी सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम बाय फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन द बॉडी, नॉट फोर्स गिवन बाय द बॉडी. फॉलो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन वाला पार्ट.
Yes, sir.
ये जो मैंने बनाया है, ये बॉडी के ऊपर वो फोर्स क्या है? बॉडी का वजन डाउनवर्ड, सरफेस ने बॉडी को दिया नॉर्मल रिएक्शन, बॉडी ने भी सरफेस को दिया है रिएक्शन. वो n और ये mg ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. So please copy definition and write, draw first diagram. Any doubt comes, keep on asking.
So that part I didn't get.
This is one body, correct?
Yes, sir.
Body का weight is where? Downward ना mg.
Yes, sir.
अब ये नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए, इससे सरफेस क्या करेगा? इसको ऊपर रिएक्शन देगा ना.
हाँ सर.
तो बॉडी के ऊपर ये दो चीजें एक्ट हो रहा है, बराबर.
Yes, sir.
तो बॉडी इसके ऊपर भी नॉर्मल रिएक्शन दे रहा है ना, ऐसा कांटेक्ट पे. n, ये n मतलब ये mg है.
Okay, sir.
तो ये वाला फोर्स कौन दिया? बॉडी ने दिया.
हाँ सर।
और बॉडी को फोर्स कौन दिया? ये सरफेस ने दिया ऊपर ऐसे।
हाँ सर। हाँ सर समझा।
देखो बुक्स में एकदम क्लियर पिक्चर नहीं, इसे ध्यान से देखते जाओ, डाउट है तो पूछते जाना। यही चैप्टर एक आपका, मैंने जैसे बोला एक चैप्टर और हो गया तो आगे सब इजी है। तो ये चैप्टर के बाद आगे सब एकदम इजी है। टिल दिस चैप्टर इट इज एक्चुअल कॉन्सेप्चुअल, बाद में इसका सब कॉम्बो ही आगे आने वाला है। If you have completed, please tell me, then I'm drawing normal reactions. Two more to understand the meaning. अब करो।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
If I consider inclined surface, this is the body here. Now tell me where will be normal reaction. ऐसा होगा ना, perpendicular
Yes, sir.
normal
हाँ
reaction.
सर।
Who is giving this normal reaction? Surface. No?
Surface.
Surface is giving this normal reaction. And यही point पे नीचे भी normal reaction होगा. This is
हाँ सर।
on the surface by body. बट बॉडी क्या करता है वो हम लोग नहीं लेते, इससे एक्चुअल फिगर में बाद में ये नहीं बनाएंगे। बिकॉज खाली बॉडी के ऊपर क्या एक्ट हो रहा है वो, ये तो बॉडी ने दिया इसको, लेकिन इस सरफेस ने बॉडी को क्या दिया? नॉर्मल रिएक्शन ऊपर। दिस केस इज, इफ आई प्लेस बॉडी हियर, दिस इज अर्थ, सर्कुलर सरफेस, तो फॉर सर्कल रेडियस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू स्मॉल पार्ट हियर, तो दिस विल बी रेडियली आउटवर्ड। ये पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट पे नॉर्मल रिएक्शन। इधर रखा तो, इधर रखा बॉडी को तो ऐसा होगा ना नॉर्मल रिएक्शन। तो दिस
हाँ सर।
अपवर्ड, ये कौन दे रहा है? ये सरफेसेस दे रहा है, और ये बॉडी इसको ऐसा देगा ना नॉर्मल रिएक्शन नीचे, विच इज इक्विवेलेंट टू इट्स वेट। समझ गए आपको दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yes, yes.
ड्रॉ दिस टू डायग्राम। Normal is perpendicular to the surface acting on the body, and body is also giving downward, equal opposite to normal reaction. वही अपना वेट है। वैभव, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Done, no? So normal reaction, you got the idea of direction. Second, tension written as T. I'm interested in right now its direction, how it will. It can be on the string, it can be on chain system, it can be on the rod if it is having chance of getting elongation. So if this is rigid support, here is a thread, here I put one body whose mass is suppose m. Its weight is acting downward mg. Due to this pulling, tension will come. So at this point, always remember, tension जिधर भी आप है ना वो point से दूर रहता है. So if I am sitting on this mass and facing towards the string, tension will be in this direction at this point denoted by T. And at equilibrium means net force is 0. At equilibrium, this tension should be equal to mg. So at this point where thread is tight, tension is away from the body. अगर ये point देखो इधर, तो tension will be downward, away from the point of suspension. Same धागा है throughout. So throughout tension will be PTT only. Have you followed first diagram properly? Hello?
Can you
Yes, sir.
repeat that diagram?
This is the body of mass m. Its weight mg is downward. इसको बांध के रखा है, तो इधर से टेंशन इसको रुकाएगा नहीं, तो ये टूट जाएगा, तो ऊपर एक्ट होएगा. वैसा ये थ्रेड है इधर, तो ये धागा उसको सपोर्ट खींच के रखा है, तो ये अपने आप को बचाने के लिए नीचे एक्ट होएगा. तो जिधर भी आपको टेंशन चाहिए, इमेजिन आप उधर बैठ जाते हैं फेसिंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट, तो वो अपना टेंशन हो जाए. ठीक है, सबको समझा?
Yes, yes.
Draw this diagram and write properly. At equilibrium for body, T is mg.
Done, sir.
Few more we are drawing just to understand the direction part. On this surface we have one block. Block ka mass is m. We are pulling this block with the help of string and applying force F. I want what is tension acting. तो ये जो m इधर है ना, इसके ऊपर ये पॉइंट पे चाहिए, तो tension is always away from the body. This is the tension acting. Understood direction of tension here on the block tied to the string?
Yes.
These are two blocks I am showing. ये एक स्ट्रिंग है, ये एक स्ट्रिंग. अलग अलग स्ट्रिंग का टेंशन अलग अलग होता है. सो दो अलग स्ट्रिंग आया तो आई विल कॉल T1 T2. आई एम पुलिंग दिस विथ फोर्स F. अभी इसके ऊपर टेंशन देखना है मुझे, इधर किधर एक्ट होएगा. ये पॉइंट पे इट विल बी अवे. सो इफ आई कॉल दिस एज सपोज T, ये पॉइंट पे इधर से अवे बट धागा अलग, तो इसको T1 बोल रहा हूं. तो M1 पे टेंशन राइट लेफ्ट दोनों एक्ट हो गया. अंडरस्टूड? एनी डाउट?
No.
नो. अभी M2 के ऊपर, M2 का ये कॉर्नर पे इधर बैठ के मैंने बोला उससे दूर देखो, तो टेंशन इधर एक्ट होएगा. सेम धागे पे सेम टेंशन. सो M2 का बात किया तो टेंशन इज T1 टुवर्ड्स राइट. M1 का बात किया तो T1 लेफ्ट, T राइट. Anybody who has not followed tension का direction? When string changes, then tension changes. That means T1, T2, T3, you will give different name. Tension changes. Swaraj, you have followed this? Mohit, Swaraj, followed?
Yes, sir.
Rajvardhan?
Yes, sir.
Please understand properly because this will be involved in numerical now. डायरेक्शन बेस्ड है खाली. डायरेक्शन समझ गया तो प्रॉब्लम एकदम मुंबई के लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं हलवा हो जाएगा. इट्स क्लियर? फर्स्ट वन फिर से बताओ कि समझ गया कथन?
Sir, in the first one, the tension is in relation to the mass or the force
Yes.
pulling it.
No, tension is always in relation with the body acting. its value is equals to force,
Okay, sir.
but direction is based on mass. See, suppose this is the mass here. This is the mass, and this is tied like this. Then this will be the tension. If it is tied like this is the tension. If it is tied like this is the tension. ऐसा. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just copy this to diagram.
So we have to write this point, right?
What you are saying?
This point when string changes.
That you have right now. When string changes, then tension changes. That means everywhere you can't call T or T1 T1 T1, T2 T2 T2. अलग अलग धागे पे अलग अलग नाम दे.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth one. You have to help me. Yeah. This is one string tied to a block. A block is fixed to a support. Block has mass m. I'm interested in what will be the forces acting on the block and the string. Coming to this block, what will be first force acting on block? इसका वजन ना? Any doubt?
mg, sir.
अभी दो धागे अपने पास ये. So if I think of this first part, so from here this will be acting outward like this, T1, away from the body. ऊपर से देखा तो away from point. Yes. For this part, what will be direction? Right or left?
Right.
Right.
Right, sir.
Right.
And at this point, if you see that,
Left.
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 this is how we draw the direction on the string and the body. Copy again. This time two blocks are connected as shown with the help of string and supports. ये fixed support है, दो block बीच में ऐसा बांध के रखा. तो block M1 पे, have you completed fourth? Then I'm starting with fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Side.
So first this block has its own weight M1G. इधर से tension outward P1. इधर से क्या लो? T1 क्या T2 नाम दो? क्या नाम दो?
T2.
T2 because strings are
T2,
different.
sir.
Strings are different. At this point same thread, so T1.
T1.
अब ये point पे same thread T2. इधर दूसरा thread T3. इधर से away T3. Direction, any difficulty? If you can master direction.
No, sir.
Okay, this is only important direction. Rest all are easy. Draw fifth diagram also. हाँ say.
Sir,
Sir,
M2G.
that,
M2.
yes, M2, that.
That time.
M1G down, M2G down on the thread. Tensions are away from the body. See, nobody will ask you this separately. ये सब numerical में आने वाला है. I am explaining you the direction of tension.
Done, sir.
Okay. Draw direction of normal reaction. Draw direction of normal reaction on this system. ऐसा triangular को wedge बोलते हैं general. It is also called as wedge. So this is suppose W. ऐसा triangular support को it is called as wedge. Here there is one block. Connected to the support. And this is kept on the surface. Now how many contacts you can see? Wherever there is contact, there will be normal.
Sir, 2.
2 पक्का?
Sir, 3, 3.
3 बराबर. ये एक कांटेक्ट हो गया, ये एक कांटेक्ट हो गया, ये भी एक कांटेक्ट है ना, तो टोटल कितना कांटेक्ट? 3 बराबर है?
Ah, yes, sir, 3.
Yes,
I am
sir.
interested in normal reaction. So between 1 and this block, ये कांटेक्ट है. ऐसा होएगा normal reaction? Perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
So I am calling N1. अब ये सरफेस इसको दे रहा है, ब्लॉक भी देगा ना ऐसा. N1 सेकेंड वाले पे ये सरफेस इसको नॉर्मल रिएक्शन देगा. दूसरे कलर से बनाता हूं. तीर्था, एनी डाउट? अंडरस्टैंडिंग नो प्रॉपरली? हेलो तीर्था. हाँ. So this surface will give to the block this way normal reaction, N2. Block will give to the surface this way normal reaction. Then third wala is this. This will be normal reaction. N3 given by surface to the block and surface will give here. मुझे लगता है सबको normal reaction का direction समझ गया. Anybody who is having still doubt for normal reaction?
No, sir.
Okay, please draw this diagram and name N1, N2, N3 properly. Can I rub this?
One minute.
अभी देखो ये सब चीज रटने वाला नहीं है. You have to understand so that you can implement in the numericals.
Done, sir.
Now I'm doing just 3 laws today so that some theory also you know. And next class we'll do problems based on this law or derivation based on this law. First is state Newton's first law of motion. Anybody knows Newton's first law of motion? Every body continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless until acted upon by external unbalanced force. What is meaning of balanced force? Total should be 0, correct? Unbalanced, so suppose this is one force F1, this is one force F2. If I say it is balanced, then everybody will say that means F1 vector, F2 vector ka total is 0. This condition is also called as equilibrium. So Newton's first law states that if body is in equilibrium, that means net force 0, then it will remain at rest. Or if it is moving uniformly in some direction, it will move in this direction. But when external force ka value becomes unbalanced, then only it will change the state. See, we are telling external, matlab bahar se chahiye ho. So Newton's first law states that this all you have done in your lower standard. Every body continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion. Please write it down. Every body continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless until acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Every body continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless until acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Unless until acted upon by external unbalanced force. Unless until acted upon by external unbalanced force.
That is right.
That means if the body is having net force 0, it will be in the state of rest or uniform motion. That is our first law. State Newton's second law of motion. State Newton's second law. If force becomes unbalanced, then body will be accelerated. So if you know from lower standard, F is ma
Yes, sir.
and a means v minus u upon t from kinematics.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is m into velocity called as? Momentum.
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 So mv minus mu will be called as what? Rate of change of moment, change in momentum. Divide by time will become rate of change of momentum. So second law states that the rate of change of momentum of rigid body, that means shape is not changing. So 11th में थोड़ा एक word extra आ गया of rigid body. Rate of change of momentum of rigid body is directly proportional to the applied force. Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction of force. Write this one. And takes place in the direction of force. So all law we are writing. In next class first law पे numerical, then next class में उसके बाद second law, बाद में third law. So sequence में we will be going. Rate of change of momentum of rigid body is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction of force. And takes place in the direction of force. Everybody had copied now? Shall I explain again? Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force and takes place in the direction of force. State Newton's third law. Newton's third law of motion. This you all know?
Every action force
Yes,
has
sir.
an equal and opposite reaction force.
Correct. To every action, action means force, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Right. To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The action will be on one body, reaction will be on other body. That means they are always in pair. Acting on,
Simultaneously.
huh? Yes, Avan, what
Which act simultaneously.
To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. One last topic.
Done, sir.
Okay, that much only I am doing. Then next class, please practice and be ready, because whatever I have explained earlier, that is numerical based. Nobody will ask you direction. Sometimes the colleges they ask direction also, but generally in entrance we should know the method to find direction and apply in the numerical. So today we did hardly few things. I did what is force, its unit, SI CGS, dimension, vector quantity. Types of force are non-contact and contact. Non-contact, gravitational, electromagnetic, weak nuclear, strong nuclear. Contact force, frictional force, normal reaction, tension, force in the spring and collision wala force. Tension and normal reaction ka direction we studied. Then 3 laws of Newton. First law, second law, third law. So this much please study and come. So your workload is actually very less. So those who have not completed backlog, they will complete that. Next class, first 45 minutes, I will discuss problem from 65 onward. And next 45 minutes, I will continue with this chapter. So that Sunday test, it is only on dimension theory and MCQs based on kinematics. That too 1 to 100 only from that sheet. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That's all for today. Relax
sir.
and study.
Yes, sir.
Everything is very easy if
Thank
you are
you so much.
understanding. Anybody tries to bahad the concept, to theory mein full mark laega wo, numerical mein. That's all for today. Next class we'll meet on Friday and proceed ahead.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.